Hello cuties, how are you all? So this is morning tea and today we are going to make a cake box which is pancake trinket box. So cut out a lob of clay and knead it until it's soft. Knead it until it's super soft. Ensure there is no lumps, no bumps. And if you think that the clay is hardened, use a little bit of water. Roll it on a flat surface. Make it wider. Ensure that there is no lumps. And you can take anything which is round. Here I'm taking a lid to make circle. Now take a little bit of clay, knead it, and then use something flat or else you can use your hands as I show. Now take slip, which you can make at home with just clay and water, and take that roll which you have done before and put water around the edges of that circle with the help of water. Try to blend it with your fingers and now take a small piece of thin roll and put it inside the big roll so that base doesn't fall apart when it dries. Now use a little bit of slip and above the first one use another roll and make it long as you wish and join it, and again use a little bit of slip and again join another one. It's up to you how much rows you want to put. Here I have put only 2. And now take the lid part and use another roll. Don't try to put it on the edge itself so that the lid doesn't fall on itself, and smudge it. And again use a small thin roll inside the big roll so that again it doesn't fall off when it dries. And now let it dry. Until that, let's take a small roll and make it very thin and cut it into square shape. For butter, make it as thick as you want. Here I'm putting 4 layers just by cutting it one by one with a slip. Again take a little bit of clay, roll it and make it into 3 pieces or how many pieces you want actually for the blueberry, and make a shape as a circle and let it dry. And after drying, sand it. I am using nail filer and now I'm going to use brown color as its pancake. You can use any other color of your choice, and I'm going to paint it all over the edges to make it a pancake look or to make it a realistic. After painting it in the edges, I'm going to paint inside the lid but not in the roll. And now I'm going to use a bit of peach color. And now let's paint the blueberries and the butter. I'm using yellow color for the butter and I'm going to color the whole base. And now I'm going to color the blueberry. After that we are going to join these pieces. I'm using B7000 glue. You can use any glue. And now join the pieces together. I'm going to coat this with varnish. You can use any varnish but I have acrylic varnish so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to coat it all over the box and the lid. Until it dries, let's take glue, brown color and a little bit of varnish to make the liquid syrup. I'm showing you by putting some of my jewelries, keychains, etc. And there you have it, a pancake trinket box. Hope you like it and comment down below what should I make next.